Chief Electoral Officer, Section 13A of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of the Commission. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the provision of staff to the Commission by government and power conferred to the Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. The participant will also be able to explain the Section 13A of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Provisions in the Constitution. Article 324 of the Constitution says, superintendence, direction and control of elections lies in the Commission, and that Commission is known as Election Commission of India. Preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election is one of the components that has to be done by the Commission. President and Governor to provide staff for functions conferred on the Election Commission. Article 327. It says, power is given to the Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for the House of Parliament or either house of the state legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Part 2A of RP Act 1950. Section 13A comes under the Part 2A, which is for the officers. Part 2A deals with the appointment of various officers who shall deal with the electoral roll and also about their deemed deputation to the Commission. Section 13A. It is about the Chief Electoral Officers. Subsection 1 says, there shall be for each state a Chief Electoral Officer who shall be such officer of the government as the Election Commission may, in consultation with that government, designate or nominate in this behalf. Subsection 2 is about, subject to the superintendence, direction and control of the Election Commission, the CO shall supervise the preparation, revision and correction of all electoral rolls in the state under the RP Act 1950. So the Article 324(6) of the Constitution says, the Governor and President will provide staff to the Commission. Article 327 has given the power to the Parliament to frame laws related to the election. Therefore, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. And the Section 13A of RP Act 1950 is about the appointment and functions of the Chief Electoral Officers. So we can conclude by saying, the Chief Electoral Officer, subject to the superintendence, direction and control of the Election Commission, shall supervise the preparation and revision of all electoral rolls and conduct of elections in the state. The COs are on full-time basis and they are not assigned any additional responsibilities by the state government without the prior permission of the Election Commission. The CO has a separate office with certain senior officers of the state government known as Additional Chief Electoral Officer, Joint Chief Electoral Officer, Assistant Chief Electoral Officer and other office staff. But such officers do not have any statutory position. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Chief Electoral Officers under the Section 13A of RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.